Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MetLife Dental Member Portal, setup guide step by step clearly. Visit the MetLife Dental website. Locate the Member Portal option on the home page. Click on the Login button to access the login screen. If you're a new user, select the Register option. Provide your personal information as requested. Enter your MetLife member ID. If you don't have your member ID, click on the link for assistance. Create a username and password that meet the specified criteria. Make sure to write down your username and password for future reference. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. Once registered, return to the login screen. Enter your newly created username and password. Click the Login button. You should now have access to your MetLife Dental Member Portal. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. If you encounter any issues, use the Help or Contact Support options available. Keep your login details secure and log out after each session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.